Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a denied account on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve denied account on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to the window of Discord and you can click. Here you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Then you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.